Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a loading scene in Godot 4. So this is going to be our main scene that we're trying to load into. We'll go to create a new scene, call it loading. Go ahead and add a progress bar, so progress bar. I'm going to change the anchor preset to be in the center. Then I'll go ahead and mess with the transform to make it a bit bigger and also in the center of the screen. Alright, that's good enough. Go to add a new script. Going to immediately reference our progress bar. We're going to need a few more variables, one of which being the path to our next scene. So export, so we can edit it later in the inspector. Variable next scene path. This will be a string. I will set it to be res scenes slash main.tscn. Obviously this will be different for you, but this is where my main scene is. Next will be a variable called progress. This will actually be a typed array, and it will make more sense in a bit. So it'll be an array of floats, set to be a blank array. Next, inside of our ready function, we'll be using the resource loader to load in our main scene. So resource loader dot load threaded request, and just pass in our next scene path. Now inside of our process function, so process delta, create a new variable called status. This will be set to resource loader dot load threaded get status, pass in our next path, and also our progress array variable that we set before. Next, we're going to be passing this into a switch statement, so match status. The first case will be resource loader dot thread load in progress. Here, we'll create a new variable called percentage. This will obviously be the percentage of how much we have loaded in so far. Set this to be progress at the 0 index, so the 0 index of our array, times 100. Now we'll set our progress bar dot value to be that percentage. Our next case will be resource loader dot thread load loaded. Here, create a new variable called scene. This will be the scene that we're loading into. Resource loader dot load threaded get next scene path get tree dot change scene to file and pass in change scene to packed, pass in that scene. And now if we run this scene, you'll see we have our loading bar, and once it reaches 100%, we'll be in our game. Anyways guys, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you!